Long-lasting romantic relationships can be incredibly fulfilling, but they often require time and effort to establish. It's essential to know what you want, respect yourself, and maintain a positive outlook. A healthy relationship thrives on shared love and intimacy, rather than simply seeking personal gain. Self-respect is crucial, as it helps you understand how you deserve to be treated and sets the stage for a healthier partnership. Address any unresolved issues from past relationships to avoid repeating mistakes, and remember that attraction can develop over time. Lasting love often grows from friendship. Focus on genuine interest rather than superficial traits, and be cautious of attempting to change your partner or allowing them to change you. Recognizing healthy relationship dynamics is vital, so establish clear boundaries for yourself. Engage in activities that align with your interests to meet like-minded individuals, and consider casual, low-pressure dates to foster connections. Lastly, be prepared to accept rejection gracefully as part of the dating process.